Good morning. Well, no, it's not morning for us. I don't know. Whenever you watch this video, it could be morning. I just assume everyone watches it in the morning, but they're probably not. So basically, from the description of this video, you can tell that we are in fact going to Japan tonight, tomorrow. I don't know. It's about 75-hour flight, 3 ships, 2 planes.
It's 10:30 at night now.
It's 10:30 at night. We are currently on the main street in Tramore, getting a takeaway. There's not a sinner out.
It's pissing rain.
It's absolutely lashing rain. We have a lot of travelling to do through this night, but we are really looking forward to it.
Yeah, flight's at 10 to 6 in the morning, so we're basically doing an all-nighter tonight.
We're staying up all night.
Yeah.
We're going to drink a load of Red Bull. Actually, we didn't bring any Red Bull.
No.
Oh well. But yeah, no, so we're just going to kind of bring you along our journey and just hopefully enjoy it. Maybe, I don't know how boring it's going to be. Plane rides are usually boring, but well, you might as well come for the spin.
Yeah.
Right, so update. We're after getting our food. We are currently sitting on the prom in Tramore. I know you see this thing, right? Can anyone else see how much that hole is moving? That thing is going to fall over in the van. So basically we're having a little romantic day here. We're going to go back out to Connor's, double check our luggage, our passports, everything, make sure we have everything. We're going to chill out for a little while and then we're going to get going on the road. So tune in back in Connor's. Right, so we have arrived at the airport. We just kind of skipped a chapter and now we're here. And now we just need to figure out what desk we're at and check in our luggage and we'll try not get lost. Right, so we've made it through security, all the checks, just made it to the pub, so just waiting on Connor to come back down with some drinks. Right, so we got some mandatory points and graffitied the place. Anyone's in Dublin airport, look for that sticker and I'll give you a sticker. How's that sound? Where you at? Connor decided not to wear a t-shirt, now he's fucking sweating, he can't take off his jumper. So we're going to just chill out for a bit, have a pint. Yeah, we're just waiting to board our first flight to Germany and then we have 5-hour stopover, so just take some little videos along the way and just see what happens. And also, yeah, by the time you watch this is a full year of FitzFam.
Yeah.
Full year. Happy birthday to me.
Are you right? I don't know how to use this, no.
Yeah, Connor's looking for lessons on how to use his camera. Right, so we've just arrived at our gate. We're waiting to board the plane, so sorry, gone ahead there. Sorry about him. Right, so we're after getting through the boarding process.
Yeah, none of us have anything dodgy on our files, so we're about to
we are onto the plane, thank God, because I'm fucking tired.
Sure, be alright like this.
Right, we have made it onto the first plane. For now, I'm going to sleep. I'll see you in Germany. Right, so we're after landing in Germany, in Frankfurt Airport. We kind of got lost when we got off it. We didn't know where we were going, but we walked, just walking around like fools. Well, we're still in the airport.
We're doing something right.
Now we're on a bus. We have to get a bus to the other side of the airport. Figure out what we're doing then. Right, so we have arrived at Terminal Z. You know what they say when you're in Frankfurt? You know, Frankfurt hot dog. They're nice. I had to pay €5 for a bottle of Coke. Bad hour job. Better be nice. Not bad now. Never mind the hot dogs. See this stuff. Right, so after 5 hours of a stopover, it's finally time for us to board to fly to Japan, so...
Thank God, we've been awake 33 hours now.
I'm absolutely bollocks, but yeah, we're after sobering up again, so it's not too bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's go over, wait in this queue. I'll take a quick video when we're on the plane. After that, I'm going to sleep. I'll wake up in Japan. Probably wake up in the plane, but still. Right, so our flight is after being delayed by like half an hour, so it's a bit of a kick in the hole, but it's not too bad, it's only half an hour, so I'm just gonna walk around and burn a bit of time until we can actually get on the plane. Yeah, pain in the hole, but sure, look, it is what it is. We're still waiting. Myself and Connor are we're barely staying awake. I can barely keep my eyes open anymore. How do you feel?
Absolutely, just so wrecked.
Just want this plane to pull up so we can just get on it.
Once we get on the plane, we still have 13 hours on the plane.
We were racing Connor over, but Connor's actually going to be there before us now. And not this Connor, our other Connor. But
There's our friend from earlier.
oh yeah, look at him. We're after meeting some mad old people on this journey so far. This fella here. Him. He's been following us in Ireland. He's having some crack, isn't he?
Yeah. Some legend.
Right, so they're finally boarding the plane, but we're just not arsed.
Nope.
I think we stay in Frankfurt.
Yeah.
We'll catch you next year, Missouri. Oh, let's go get in the queue. Mark, the size of the coat hanger we're going in.
I'll fly that, no water.
Right, so we got through, we're finally boarding. Yeah, now we're just going to get on the plane and just chill out for 13 hours or something.
Go sleep, I'd say.
With all our new friends. Right, boys. Right, so we made the flight anyway. Get ready to go. Wabaki. What you get, little goodie bag? You got a toothbrush, some face wash, a pair of socks, a pair of scrubbers for your eyes, a pillow, a blanket, a remote control, and watch this. I know what some of you party animals are thinking, but it's for your laptop. I can't even close it. So I just woke up from a 2-hour nap. Feel a bit better.
Yeah,
We're just after getting food. Don't ask me what the fuck it is. Now we've got some of that. I don't even know what I'm eating, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Except the fish stuff, it's not a bit of me. I'm gonna try that.
maybe. Let's see.
Right, so food review. The pasta is actually really nice. Connor ate those things. I know what they're called, but not a hope about that in my mouth. But he said they were nice anyway.
Didn't really have much choice.
So yeah, they give you a mad selection of stuff. Like, I don't know what this is. I really don't know what this is, but yeah, it's grand. I'm gonna watch some 21 Jump Street and probably go back to sleep for a while. Right, so I'm just awake after like trying to sleep and in and out of sleep for the last, I don't know how many hours. Fuck it, how many hours? 12 hours. I must say it's a really tough flight for anyone doing it. It's very tough on the body, I must say. So as I was saying, it's yeah, it's rough like because you're in and out of sleep and you think you're after making loads of progress, but you'd be asleep for like 45 minutes. So yeah. So we're just out to get breakfast here now. We went to Crepes.
Crepes?
Yeah. Did you even know what you got?
I thought it was eggs.
Right, let's give this a smash and see what it's like. Right, breakfast smashed. Crepes are nice. I don't know what this is. Connor tried it, said it wasn't nice, so if he doesn't like it, I definitely won't like it because I'm fussy as fuck. The little bun yolk with jam was nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we have our 34 minutes left. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I suppose I'm just going to deny Connor for the next hour and a half. Get our shit together. Yeah, run up down the plane for a while. Yeah. Start waking people up. Do stuff like that. So yeah, sure. We'll touch down. We'll catch up, touch. I don't know. We're going to land anyway. Right. So after about 75 hours of flying, I think we're actually ready to land. So we have 18 minutes left. Thank fuck. It's getting exciting now. Wanna if you know how it is in Tokyo. Can't wait to see an old drink up. Right, so we're just after landing and this is so exciting.
Thank God.
So we're just gonna jump off the plane, get in through security, get our bags, and then go try get some internet and then figure out what we're doing then. But yeah, I've lost words. That is actually mental. Cannot believe I'm actually here. Right, so we're after arriving, we're after meeting Connor. Connor's here now. I'm currently taking money out of an ATM. Watch this. The card will decline or it won't. Let's see what it looks like.
Check your receipt.
Oh, mine is just. Oh, class.
One Louise.
One bill. Is that all I get? This place is a con. I got one bill. What's that get me? A snack. Go on, you get yours. I can't believe I only got one bill for this. Crazy. Right, so we've got internet sticks. We got a drink in the shop. Connor went to the shop. We're still in the airport. The other Connor is over trying to get train tickets for us to go to somewhere else where I don't know where we're going. We're just going to follow him because he really knows what he's doing. We really don't know what we're doing. Connor's videoing me, videoing him. But we're going to get out of this airport eventually. It's going to be great. Right, so we're after like 2 trains later and we are walking out into, I actually don't know where we are. What's this place called?
Shibuya.
Shibuya. Look at that, here we. Dude. So yeah, we're finally out in the wilderness, so I think Connor said something about beer anyway, so I heard that word. We can translate that pretty good, so we're going to do that and have a look around and kind of just show you what's going on really.
Up that street.
So yeah, as Connor was saying, that this is the scene from Tokyo Drift where they drifted through the big crowd of people. I can't say the word of it. What's it called?
Shibuya Scramble Crossing.
So
We can see up there. We can go up there and we can have a look. We'll go up there and you can you have to like buy a beer.
yeah.
Oh no.
What do you mean I have to buy a beer? Oh no.
It's like
Are we going across now?
Yeah.
Watch me scrabble across this crossing. Oh boys, they're all off. Look at them. It's crazy. Yo! Some weather for drying, lads. So many people. Look. That's crazy. Show this like it's like a herd of ants. No, very same thing. Like surely, like where are they all going? Like? But no, I bet you I'm having a better time now, aren't I? Right, so we've just walked about like 25 minutes to this B&B, which is grand. I'll give you another walk through.
The basement.
And little toilet, little sit room, and little spa.
Oh, that's so weird.
Up the stairs. Whoop. Oh god. 2 rooms for the lads here.
Here. See something mad, lads.
Go on, show me.
Did it a minute ago.
This is a great show. Everyone's so happy for that. We'll come back to you when Connor learns how to do it. Oh, did you do it? Oh, so it's the toilet seat went up. Now we go up and look at our dungeon.
Have to rearrange. Have to rearrange.
Here, Connor, your bed is made. Little praying room. Me and Connor's room. Pretty sick.
My bad claiming that on camera.
I don't care what you say. I don't know. All I know is we've been travelling for like I don't know how many hours, and
Nearly 2 days.
2 days, fuck all sleep, and I'm bollocks. So hope you enjoyed us from getting from Ireland to Japan. And as I said, this is a whole year of us making videos, so big shout out to anyone that's been here from the start. We'd like to say thank you for anyone that's bought any merch, anyone that's subscribed, anyone that liked, commented, even just watched the videos. It means a lot to us. Hopefully this trip is going to be good and there's going to be a lot for you to see, but for now we're going to get some rest in, and then we have something cool planned later on this evening, which will be in the next video. So as of now, that's us.
Good luck.
Good luck. It's a great ending. So anyway, Connor gave a great attempt at closing down that video.
Like, subscribe. Thanks for calling.
Thanks for calling. Right, yeah, that's us. You know what to do if you like what you see. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Good luck.